We want people to be the best they can be, more productive, more efficient, happier, healthier. That's why we created Levado, the most versatile height-adjustable desk, making it the best investment for the workplace. Save time and money with the SwiftLok foldable legs that lock into place, with no tools required. It's quick and secure for a cost-effective installation. Levado's VersaTop Clamps make setup tool-free and simple, with freedom to customize desktop size and color to enhance any work style and office aesthetic. The premium feather lift control paddle allows for effortless adjustment to the ideal height. And with 4 programmable memory settings and a collision detection safety feature, users can achieve their perfect adjustment every time. Add movement to your working day at the touch of a button, and be the best at your desk with a Levado. Made with a quality that you'd expect from a 4-generation family business.